Hey, what's up everyone? In the last video, Sinan had created Mini Union Achilles, and now you all voted for Volt's Judgment Joker as the top choice in our community post, so we'll make it with our skills. First, take a bottle cap and make Beyblade prong cuts with a cutter, just like Sinan shows in the video. It should look something like this. Now, it's time for the real hard work. Take two glue gun glue sticks and attach them to both sides of the bottle cap in a curved position, as shown in the video. Now the struggle starts. It's tough for Sinan to shape the layer the same as the Judgment Joker Beyblade with a cutter and soldering iron while recording. But we have already seen the result in the thumbnail, so he's trying his best. Carry on. So, I think Sinan is almost done shaping the Judgment Joker Beyblade layer. Nicely done. Now it's time to make the Judgment Joker face. Place a paper on the template and start tracing like Sinan. Now cut the cardboard piece with scissors. Sinan will add colors. Wow, it looks pretty good. Just stick on the layer properly like Sinan is doing. Now Sinan is adding super glue to turn the paper into plastic. So the Beyblade plastic surgery is finished. Now cut the half bottom of a bottle cap. Then stick the cap at the bottom. Finally, stick a small bottle cap at the bottom and a small ball-type flat tip at the end. Now, lastly, Sinan is again adding his creative colors. It looks pretty accurate, but not exactly the same as the thumbnail. Still, we are okay with it. Now what are you waiting for?
Do it!
If you haven't smashed the subscribe button, go ahead and do it now.